So hey guys, as always, this is Harsh and welcome once again to your channel Being Up to Date. So today we are going to discuss about terrorism. So let's start the video without any further delay. The terrorism is the term which has been seen very often in the news. So friends, basically terrorism considered as violent acts which are intended to create fear by groups or any organization. It is one of the biggest challenge for entire world, especially India, as India has been the highest victim of the terrorism in the world. Mainly the intentions of the terrorist is to create fear in public so that they got financial support by leaders of the terror organization under which they are working for, and also to make their religion as the only religion in the entire world, or to make it as a supreme religion. So friends, there are several causes of being their limited thinking. The first reason is the rise in religious extremism because of fake teachings to them regarding their religion. The second major cause is the political extremism due to the extreme right and extreme left wing being in the politics. Terrorist group has been originated. Taking the example of Antifa, which has been currently designated as a terrorist organization by US. So Antifa is a left-wing terrorist outfit. Now moving forward to some other reasons, like poverty and illiteracy is certainly a reason. The youth are not getting much employment, so that they are being attracted by the terrorist organization by giving them certain amount of money for doing some violent activity. Currently, there is an international organization known as FATF, that is Financial Action Task Force. This organization works a lot in order to cut off the supply of terrorist sponsorship. So to eradicate this huge problem of terrorism, we must initiate from basic level. We have to increase literacy and employment in our respective countries, so that it ultimately will reduce the poverty, so that the youth will not get attracted by terrorists to solve their financial problem, and more importantly, they come to know about the true meaning of religion and also the truth that killing people is against any god. So gentlemen, all in all, the world community should come together to fight against a global common biggest challenge of the humankind, and establish systems to share intelligence, collective training, etc. And every country must focus on basic need of their citizen, provide education, employment, and stop endangering them, because we all know that prevention is better than cure. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in next video with another topic. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.